my name is Buttttt and I'm Director of Prosperity Housing Group, which is a CQC registered supported living service specifically for people that have got complex mental health needs. And I'm also a consultant where I help other social entrepreneurs and business owners to set up their own CQC registered supported living service. Now this week I've been getting so many emails, people asking me how hands-on do I need to be in the service. Petra, I would love to set up a CQC registered supported living service, but I just don't know how many hours a week I'm going to be working. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I do and what we do in our service. So I've got two separate types of people that I work with. I have clients who are mental health nurses that already work in the NHS. They're social workers, they've already got that social care background. And I've got another set of people that I work with that don't have a care background, but they have a heart who wants to really help and support people that have got learning disabilities and mental health needs. And even I've got one client as well that has currently got a family member who has learning disabilities. So the question is, how hands-on do I need to be? So for the way that we've set up our company is that yes, we did a lot of the work to set up the service. So yes, we applied for our CQC application. We applied for the local authority contracts. Yes, we do that, okay? But most importantly, what we do is that we decided that we wanted to have a business that we didn't have to work in, like do the day-to-day running of the service. So we've actually hired a registered manager that manages the day-to-day running of the service. She manages the regulated activities, and then we have a core staff team that manage and support the service users with their activities. So as a director of my service, I'm not hands-on. Okay, but that's simply because of the way we've structured our service, and it's simply the way it's because of our business model. So it literally depends on you. It depends on one, your background, your expertise, your experience, and it also literally depends on your family and on your lifestyle. Like, you know, if you don't want to be working 4 hours a week, you absolutely don't have to do that. Okay, if you want, as a director, what I personally do is I have meetings with our registered manager every week, so I understand what is happening in our service, and if she has any questions, she can call at any time. But I'm genuinely hands off with the service. Okay, so that's a question that I get asked all the time. Now, if you are someone that wants to set up a social business, a CQC registered supported living business, and you think, you know something, this is what I would like to do. I would like to help more people to come out of hospital. I would like to help them to be able to be independent. You know, I would like to help them with their education, training, all of that stuff. All you need to do is literally send me a message. Send me a message, and then I'll get back to you with a time and date for our consultation. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.